Hello, welcome to another Leetcode video. We're doing 3 to 7, first unique character in a string. This is a fairly easy problem and it will help you solve the more difficult problems and get a better foundation for Leetcode problem. So right now we have right now it says given the string s, find the first non-repeating character in it and return its index. If it does not exist, return -1. So we look at s, the first non-repeating is L, and we can tell that because there's no other L in the word Leetcode. But T is also only occurs once, but that is the second non-repeating. And so we wouldn't want that, we want L. So right now, but how will we know that L has no more duplicates in the rest of the string? We would know that because we will use a hash map, and that gives you a hint on how to solve it. A hash map, we would go through the entire string. Then we look, oh, if it occurs once, let's make it equal to 1 in the hash map. If it occurs twice, let's increment it. And then with that, whichever one is equal to 1, we can just return that. So let me give you, let me show you how it's done. So let's start at L. So L, we will have L, which is the key in the hash map. We'll set L to 1. Because it has occurred one time. Now we'll increment the pointer, and so we will say E occurs once, so let's put it in the hash map and we set it to 1, and then we will increment this again, and we'll say, oh, E occurs twice, so let's set E to 2, and so we would go again, we will increment again, and so we have T. This is the first time we're seeing T, so let's set it to 1. Then increment again. We'll see C. This is the first time we're seeing C, so we're gonna set C to 1 in the hash map. Put it in the hash map and set it to 1. Then we're gonna see O again. This is also 1 time. So we're gonna put it in the hash map and set it to 1. And so we're gonna see D again. We're gonna see D for the first time. We're gonna set it to 1. And we're gonna increment again. And so we've already seen E, so let's set E to 3, increment it and set it to 3 inside the hash map. And now we're at our end of our string, and so it goes on the index and the loop stops. So right now you can notice in this hash map, so in Python, it keeps it in order. So you know L is stored. You're gonna see L before you see anything else in the hash map. So we know that L is the first non-repeating because it is equal to 1 in the hash map, and everything after that doesn't matter because we're looking for the first occurrence, the first unique. Even though T, C, D, O are all unique, we don't want those because those are after L. So let's see how we code that. So right now, let's declare our hash map. We're gonna call it letters. And so we're gonna loop through the whole string for I in range length of s we're gonna say if we see if f is in our hash map, we're gonna increment the occurrence. But if else, we're gonna say if it's not in the hash map already, we're gonna just set it to 1. And now we have our basis for we have this whole hash map now. And now we have to loop through the hash map to find the first occurrence of 1 in the hash map. So we're gonna do for I in range length of s. We're gonna say if letter si is equal to 1. If the value is equal to 1 in the hash map, we're just going to return I. And then if we go through that and we find all of them, there's a duplicate in every letter in the string, we're just going to return -1. So let's run that. So it passed the first test. Let's submit. Yep, we got it. So that's how to do first unique character, and it's pretty easy. Well, if you know how to do it and you recognize that you need to use a hash map. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.